How to send photos as a document in WhatsApp. So I will show you in this video tutorial how you can send original size photo or original quality photo in WhatsApp by using document option. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. So guys, I'm on my Android phone, and let me open first my WhatsApp. So this is my WhatsApp, guys, and I want to send photo as a document for of this friend to the this friend. I have to open this friend window, and you have to click on this pin icon, paper pin icon, and here you can see the option which is called document. So when you use document to send videos and photos, so it will be when you set the videos as a document, so it will be send the full size or original quality, and as well as when you send the photo as a document, then it will send the original size and quality. So okay, just click on document. So your file manager will be open, and you have to find the image from here. So this is, you can see, this is my image. I can send PDF also. I can send mp3, I can send mp4. Okay, so I can send anything. So you can search or browse file from here. So if you click on it, your main browser will be open. Okay, so you can check, select photos from your photos option. Google Drive, there is a, this is the images. I can click on it. You can see all images of every folder. So I just go to the camera. In camera I have image, just click on it and just send it. So it will be sent same memory, 1719 KB memory, and this is the original size, and it will send as an image. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.